Right? We're coming up on 6:20 on Monday morning. Beautiful sunrise in just a couple minutes, as you can see by this live look out across the Salt Lake Valley from the Okra Mountain camera. We've got a few high clouds in the north, but in general, we've cleared off quite a bit. That's the case in the far south, although across much of central and parts of southern Utah, we do have some clouds lingering and even a few showers, mainly along and over the higher terrain of parts of southwest and south central Utah. Some of that indicated by the blue coming down as snow, but still a lot of that at this point is tapered off, even though there are going to be wet roads in that part of the state. Now in Salt Lake, we're starting out 43 with a breeze southeast at about 8 miles per hour. That makes it feel more like it's in the upper 30s. It is 38 in Provo. You're starting out 29 in Evanston, 39 in Delta, a little bit above freezing in Blanding, where it's 33, and in St. George, current temperature is 53. It's going to be a beautiful day. We're getting a break in northern Utah, while in the central part of the state, there's a low weather system that's kind of stretched out, and even though it'll weaken later in the day, there's still the potential for some showers and isolated thunderstorms to develop with that in place. There's also some rain off the coast of California. Another storm system there will be moving by to our south across Arizona tomorrow, and the moisture wrapped around that will keep at least a chance of some wet weather going in the south. And then later in the week, we'll get a chance in northern Utah. We'll show you that in a second, but first you can see our average high temperature in Salt Lake is 63, and we're going to be warming up a little bit more than that this afternoon. We'll make it up to 65. So if you need to get out there, get some yard work done, a great day for that. Sunny, mild across northern Utah with a lot of temperatures hovering in the low to mid 60s. That'll be about how warm it is over much of the central part of the state as well. In St. George, it'll be 76. And while it could just stay partly cloudy in St. George, across the central part of the state, we'll have that chance of some showers, possibility of isolated thunderstorms later this morning heading into the afternoon. Not terribly likely, but still possible. A little bit better chance of wet weather tomorrow as that next weather system brushes by. But by Wednesday, you're going to be drying out in the south and warming up quite a bit. In fact, temperature could climb all the way up near 90 in St. George by Sunday, so it'll start to feel like summer in that part of the state. And northern Utah, it's going to be sunny Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures climbing into the upper 60s. A weak weather system brings showery and cool weather to the north on Thursday, but will dry out just in time for the weekend. In fact, partly cloudy Saturday with a high near 70, and then cloudy and in the mid 70s by Sunday afternoon.